Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today I cook some banana and dumpling, and yam and curry chicken neck. Also in my curry chicken neck I'm gonna put some lentil peas. Yeah, you understand all this? So we don't clean up the chicken neck. I already need up my flour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light up the stove and make no sour go on in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove, put on my chicken leg pots and light up the stove and put on the flour. You don't know. Yeah. So guys, be about this in our kitchen today. I don't know Nicholas thing set already, I understand how I did. Yeah, so now I don't know. Make the water then go and boil up and you see what go on in our kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, as I cook down my chicken neck, I'm going to use coconut juice. Put down my chicken neck, you understand how I did? And I'm going to put some lentil peas. So you don't know about this already guys. So watch what go on in our kitchen. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to put in my chicken neck and I'm going to see what go on. Yo. Yeah guys, be about this. What I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to grate up some coconut. We cook down my chicken neck, you understand what I did? Yeah. Grate up some coconut guys, so we soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so now piece of coconut. Curry chicken neck with my lentil peas cooked down in the coconut juice. Right, that's bad. Yeah guys, so I will put in lentil peas around. Don't know about this go. Yeah guys, so in the meantime, make that one cook quickly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to peel some banana and make a sour one guys. Yeah guys, so this is my banana. Yeah. And I have a piece of yam. and this is my yam. So today, dumpling, yam and banana with curry chicken neck. You understand what I did? Also in my curry chicken neck, I have lentil peas. So guys, that one I have about cooked down in the coconut juice. Yeah. I be about this, guys. I don't know. When I come in a Nicholas kitchen, I be about this. Guys, as when you watch a video, if you see something in the kitchen when you like up the video. You understand what I did, yeah? You don't know badness go, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to peel up my yam and my banana. You understand what I did? So guys, stay tuned and watch what I want. So yeah guys, now peel up the banana then now. Peel up my banana then put in the pot. Yeah guys, so now put in my yam them now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the flour. After I put in the flour, I put in the coconut juice for the chicken neck. You understand what I did there? Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the flour. I'm going to see what I'm going. So guys, stay tuned, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put in some flour now. I'm going to see what I'm going in the kitchen. Be a badness, don't know anything set up. Guys, I be a bad food me cooking. I don't know that too, you understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, I last one I go in the pot now. Then I'm going to put in the coconut juice for my chicken neck, you understand what I did there? So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a dumpling, yam and banana, and my curry chicken neck with lentil peas. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put in the coconut milk. Guys, be about food in the kitchen. Believe that. Okay guys, so I want, yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up some ground season. You understand what I did, yeah? Only bag season, a little chicken season. Only bag season. Only chicken season, yeah. So meantime guys, this a cook, what I go do? I will cut up some ground season and make a swag. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. See me flour, me yam, banana over this one. Yeah. Swag on, yeah. Don't know about this. So guys, yeah, make me meat go and cook. The soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'll put in some brown season in the pot. Flavor with flavor. Flavor with yeah guys, before the yam cook, the banana cook, so I cook the yam. So guys, we don't know. No, I can't lock off, I know we understand all these here. Stay tuned for the finishing look when the food in the place, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm going to show you some food and I'm going to see what I'm doing. Dumpling and banana. And yam. Dumpling, yam and banana. You don't know the badness stuff. Guys, I'm out. Yeah guys, beef steamer come out I plate is what I want. Curry chicken neck, dumpling, yam and banana. Be a badness guys, yeah. So I'm gonna do now, make it go on cool, then we get something eat. Guys, see you in our next video. I'm out.